As a second test of the Dapper Woodworks and Shellvedge Ebony stick, I wanted to take you through a cleaning, conditioning, and burnishing cycle on this particular pair of shoes. An Oxford in Ivywood Shell Cordovan from Zeb Shoes. Zeb is essentially a Eastern European shoemaker that has a cult following, making beautiful cross-section or intersection of rugged shoe wear and elegant dress DNA. And you can see that this shoe, which I've worn several times and not actually conditioned, is going to really benefit from some cleaner and conditioner from Pure Polish products, a little bit of cream polish, which we're going to get into in a second, and then of course our Dapper Woodworks ebony stick, which I'm thrilled to have. Finishing up the job with a little bit of Pure Polish products, High Shine, and a Paul Brungard Spit Shine, which I really like. The Spit Shine polishes. You can see the luster of these shoes fully reinvigorated. A large part of this obviously is the Dapper Woodworks and Shellvedge Ebony stick, which really makes the restoration process truly a jiff in terms of ease. You can see very little of the original hard rolls. You still see, obviously, this is a shoe that's been worn, so it's not going to be perfect. But really, we're talking about shoes that deserve to be presented beautifully. And here they are again, presented beautifully. Thanks to the Shellvedge Ebony stick made by Dapper Woodworks. This is a must-have for shell care, my friends. Go get one if you have a pair of Shell Cordovan shoes that you want to take care of properly. It makes life so much easier. This is essentially the perfect solution to get your shoes looking like this. Can't argue with that. Can't argue with the results. So, hope you're doing well. I'll talk to you soon. Have a good one. Bye-bye.